Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. Okay, so this procedure is used in the emergency situations. Emergency situations like cardiac arrest or heart attack or drowning or poisoning. Okay, so those all are called as emergency situations, or it can be used in case of heart attack also. Okay, so by CPR, what we do, we restore the blood supply to the vital organs like brain. Brain is a vital organ. So if the blood supply to the brain is stopped for almost 3 to 4 minutes, for example, so a person will be brain dead. Okay? So this is an emergency procedure which can save the lives, and everyone must be knowing about this CPR procedure. So we have to start the procedure. How we will start the procedure? First thing, we have to remember these things: DRS and ABCD. Okay, these are the 4 terms. You can remember those terms. First one is D, means check for the danger. Or we can simply start by, you have to shout, you have to check the person if he is responsive or not. Okay, and how can you check whether person is responsive or not? You can shout to the person. Okay, if he is responding, then it's okay. If he is not responding, then you have to go for the second thing. Check for the response, whether he is responding or not. Third one is send for help. If there is someone with you, if there is another person with you, you can send that person for the help. Okay, then A, B, C, D. First is check airways. You have to check whether airways are open, whether he is breathing or not. How you will check? You have to tilt the head, okay, and this chin, and then you have to check whether he is breathing or not. You can check breathing by putting the 2 fingers here. You can check whether he is breathing or not, or you can check the pulse. Okay. Then after that, if he is not breathing, you will call the ambulance 911, and then after that you will start the CPR. How you will have to start the CPR? You will lie down the person, okay, interlock the hands like this, and put this palm on the center of the chest. This is the center of the chest, and then you have to give CPR. You have to give this CPR, okay. And how many compressions? 30 compressions, and after that 2 rescue breaths. Okay, 30 compressions. After 30 compressions, you will give the rescue breaths. Okay, and the compression must go almost 2 inches. Okay, 2 inches means the depth of the compression must be 2 inches. For example, see, this is 1, 2, like this. Okay, and in 1 minute, how many you have to give? How many compressions? Almost 100 to 120. For example, I am starting like this. And after that, you have to stop and start the rescue breaths. First inhale like this, then you have to give that same into the mouth. Okay, rescue breath in the mouth. Tilt like this, close the nostrils, and give 1 rescue breath, and then stop for 1 second, give the second rescue breath, and then start again. Okay, so if the person is like in this state because of the poisoning, at that time what can you do? You can't give mouth to mouth. Okay, sometimes we give also mouth to nose breath. Mouth to nose means you have to give breaths into the nose. Close the mouth and give the breaths into the nose. Okay, if he is not